Bitcoin, which is the proxy for the entire market, the fact that it's holding on to 5,000 is immensely important from a psychological level. I remain a big believer in the fact that cryptocurrencies rally when LPs take on new money. There's about 900 cryptocurrency LPs in the world right now, 700 of which are in the United States. And the majority of them are like us, and they take on new LP capital only once a month. So it was entirely, by script that cryptocurrencies rallied for the first 2 days of the month as that new LP money came in and came to work. There are some LPs that do take on money once a week or twice a month. So I also see LP money flowing into the market on the 15th, which is Monday. So we'll be taking some of our cash positions and getting them reallocated early morning Monday with the anticipation of LPs taking on new investor capital on the 15th and getting that money to cryptocurrency exchanges like Poloniex, hopefully by Tuesday, and then putting that money to work, and we'll see higher prices on Tuesday. I do believe that because of the way that we're seeing fund flows kind of coming in lumpy on a monthly basis, the next leg higher for the entire market is probably still 3 weeks away, or approximately 3 weeks away, as we wait for the May 1st money to start coming in. We'll be definitely positioned in anticipation of that. I definitely believe, like we've believed for a long time, that the bottom's in and the trend is higher. So we're going to be positioned as bullishly as we're allowed to be in our funds. With that all said, I will turn the conversation over to Todd. Todd's going to give us an update on what they're doing at Poloniex, what they're doing at Circle. And Todd, as much as you feel comfortable, please talk about the SEC regulation. I've got it on my screen here. I'm gonna share my screen so that if anyone hasn't found this yet and like taken a look at what this legislation actually says, it's basically guidance from the SEC, finally, on cryptocurrencies and what they might be using to consider whether or not a cryptocurrency is considered a security offering. It's not really that surprising to anyone that's been paying attention to the SEC, because they basically are using the Howey test, which basically says that, like, if you're buying this in the anticipation of a profit, then you're selling a security. If you're creating a cryptocurrency that's going to be like an affinity program that's going to allow people to do special things like get a special reward or a service that's not necessarily associated with a direct profit on the buying and selling of that exact cryptocurrency, then you're just a affinity token and you're not necessarily a security.